Now, see all of you.
Yes, sir.
Which number, you know, when a question comes like this, find a number which is divisible by all the given numbers. So which number is divisible by all the given numbers?
One.
नहीं
X.
नहीं 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 सुनो 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 सुनो. I
There
want a number.
factor.
Listen. Simple question. I want a number which is divisible by 2, 3 as well as 5. Which is that number which can be divided by all three, 2, 3 and 5?
30.
That means what is 30?
Common multiple.
Actually, it is
Common.
the least common multiple. Yes, it is the LCM. It is the common multiple. And yes, I want the smallest number which is divisible by all the three numbers. So obviously it will be a LCM. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So now, if they ask us find the smallest square number which is divisible by all the three numbers. First of all, LCM is divisible by all the three numbers. So it is going to be LCM. So if 30, see, if 30 is the number which is divisible by 2, 3 and 5, all the further multiples of 30 will also be divisible by 2, 3 and 5. Yes or no? For example,
Yes, sir.
let me bring it down to a shorter example. Which number is divisible by both 2 as well as 5?
10. Number
10.
which ends with 0.
No, number 10. Number 10. Okay. The smallest number is 10. You are right. Number which ends with 0. But the smallest number is 10. 10 is the number which is divisible by 2 as well as 5. So all the multiples of 10, see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, you take any number, it will be divisible by 2, will be divisible by 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes,
So
sir.
now, so first of all, when they ask us a number which is divisible by the given numbers, we need to find the LCM. And then if they ask us a square number, then LCM's multiple, which is a square number. So we need to convert the LCM into a square number. And to get a multiple, we multiply by that prime which is unpaired. Yes or no? We multiply by that prime which is unpaired. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So the same example, it's a very important example, children, and a concept to be understood. It is a concept to be understood. So let us take an example last example before the exercise. Example 8, this is example 8. Selected page number 102. Find the smallest number. Just a moment. Yeah. This is page number 102. Just a minute, all of you. Write down example number 8, page number 102. Find the smallest number which is divisible. Find the smallest square number, not just a number, smallest square number. Which
So
is,
should we write question?
yes, this time write the question. Find the smallest square number which is divisible by all the three, 6, 9 and 15. 6, 9 and 15. So find the smallest square number which is divisible by each of the numbers 6, 9 and 15. Okay. So which number will be divisible by all the numbers? Obviously it's LCM. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So first thing we will write like this. We know that. Just a minute. What's happening these days? We know that LCM of 6, 9 and 15 is the smallest number which is divisible by each of them. So let's first find the LCM, and if the LCM itself becomes a square number, no problem only. But if it is not a square number, then we'll find the multiple of multiple. That is, we'll find the multiple of the LCM. Yes or no, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And now finding the LCM. Children, you have learned the method of finding the LCM. You all have learned the method of finding the LCM. It is you write all the three numbers together and then you find the start from smallest number. Okay, you always start from the smallest prime. So suppose this is 6, 9 and 15. I will start with 2. 2 can divide 6, 2 3s are. It cannot divide 9. 9 comes down as it is, 15 comes down as it is. Yes or no? Is this how you find the LCM?
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now, nobody,
Yes, sir.
in all the three numbers, you don't have any two, no even number. So now we'll have to divide by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are
One.
9, 3 fives are 15.
3 5s are
Again, we can divide by 3 because there is a 3 at the center. So this one comes down as it is, 3 ones are 3 and 5 comes down as it is. Just you can show an arrow, those who are coming down as it is. Here 9 and 15 came down as it is. Now 1 and 1 will come down as it is, and yes, 5. So ultimately 5 is 5. This one come down, 5 ones are 5. So 2, 3, 3 and 5. Multiplication of these numbers would be the LCM. Yes or no?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. That is equal to how much? 3 3s are 9, 9 10s are 90. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So thus,
Yes, sir.
90 is the smallest number. 90 is the smallest number which is divisible by 6, 9 and 15. Yes or no? But they want the smallest square number. Is 90 a square number?
No, sir.
Is 90 a
No.
square number? No. Why no?
Because
Remainder is not coming 0.
No, beta, no. Because the primes 2 and 5
Are not in pair.
Not in pair.
but the prime factors 2 and 5. But the prime factors 2 and 5 are not in pairs. Hence, 90 is not a square number. Correct? So,
Yes, sir.
here we need to find the multiple of 90 which is also a square number, hai na?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Which is also a square number, and for that purpose, by what we need to multiply? 2 and 5 are unpaired.
2 and 5.
Correct.
So 10.
Yes, no, 2 and 5. So we need to multiply both the sides by 2 into 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So here 90 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. The earlier products were 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Now one more 2 and one more 5. So 90 into 10 becomes 900.
900.
I am just rearranging 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and 5 into 5. So now all of them are in pairs.
Yes, sir.
So all the primes here are in pairs. Hence, 900 is the required square number in brackets multiple of 90. है ना? Because 90 was divisible, means its multiple will also be divisible. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All the primes here in pairs, hence 900 is the required square number which is divisible by 6, 9 as well as 15. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Finished?
No, sir.
Have you understood this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What to do? In such cases, what to do, children? First find the
We will
LCM.
get LCM.
First we will find the, because LCM is divisible by all three, and after getting the LCM, check if the LCM is a square number. If not, convert it into a square number by multiplying by those primes which are unpaired. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Everybody,
Yes, sir.
have you all finished?
No, sir.
Chalo likho. Complete it fast. Finished?
Yes, sir.
Everybody has finished writing this part?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. So exercise 6.3, first we'll find question number 9 and 10. Exactly similar questions. This part I want to be very, very clear. 4, 9 and 10. Question number 9, same question. Find the smallest number which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. Chalo, start doing it. Here now it is just 4, 9 and 10. So what do we need to find? Children, what do we need to find?
LCM.
of 4, 9 and 10.
Chalo, find out the LCM of 4, 9 and 10. All of you very quickly will find the LCM of 4, 9 and 10.
Sir, we have to write now this part.
Yes, you have to write. We know that LCM of 4, 9 and 10 is the smallest number which is divisible by all three. 4, 9 and 10. Four, 9 and 10. Yes, tell me. By what are we starting to divide?
2.
2.
2.
What should I write here? 2.
2 twos are 9
4.
as it is.
And
And
it
2 fives are.
Five.
by the
Okay.
10.
Now
2 ones are
Means
9
again I
as
should
it is,
take a
5
2.
as it is.
And 5 also.
Now
Now 3.
3.
By 3.
3 threes and all of
3 3s.
Now
5. 3.
3.
3 3s.
3 1.
3 ones are
3
better.
1. 5.
5
5. 5 1s.
ones. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what is the LCM? Pair of 2, pair of 3 and single 5. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo,
Yes, sir.
start doing it. LCM would be what? 2 into
2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5.
Is equal to 180.
180.
80. So, but is 180 a square number?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
To
Why
convert
not?
it
sir.
into
No,
square
sir.
number, we
Because
should
5 is
multiply
not
by
in
Because
5.
5 is
5
not
is
in
not
pair.
in pair.
And what to do?
Yes.
What to do then?
Multiply by 5 on
Do
both
it.
the sides.
Chalo, do
So we
it.
need
So 180 is the smallest number divisible by 4, 9 and 10. But the prime factor 2. No, prime factor 5 na,
5.
is not in pairs. Hence, 180 is not a square number. So we need to find the multiple of 180, which is also a square number. So we need to multiply both the sides by what?
5.
5. Just by 5. And 180 into 5. Again 900 we are going to get. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So again the answer would be 900 only. But by numbers 4, 9 and 10. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
So 900 is the number, smallest square number, which is divisible by 4, 9 and 10. Which is divisible by
Yes, sir.
4, 9 and 10. Yes or
Yes, sir.
no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Everybody has got the answer.
Yes, sir.
Finished?
No, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Karo, karo, jaldi, jaldi karo. Do it on your own, children, if you have understood. Do it on your own. Those who have finished, start following this question. Question number 10. Again the same number, same question. Find the smallest. Square number. Which is divisible by 8, 15 and 20. So what do we need?
LCM.
Of,
LCM 8, 15 and 20.
chalo, find out the LCM of 8, 15 and 20. Start with
2.
2.
2.
4 the 8.
4
4 the 8. 15 as
as
it
it
is.
is.
And
10s are
10 is 20.
Now,
2.
2,
2 4 is
huh?
2 2s are 4.
Ah,
2 2 is 4. I have 15 as it is. 2 5 is 10.
2 5s are 10.
Again by 2.
10 2. 2
2
1s
1 is
are
2.
15 as it is.
15
And
as it
5
is.
as
5
it is. As it is.
3.
Now by 3.
3.
3. 1 as it is.
3 5 is 15.
5s are 5 also as it is.
5
And
as
now
it is.
5. 1 as
5
it is.
5
5
1 is 5.
5
LCM is equal 120.
2 2s are 4, 2s are 4s are 12, 10s are 120. 120 is the LCM.
Yes, sir.
And what is unpaired?
2 3 and 5.
2. So we have to
2,
multiply
3
by,
and 5.
we need to multiply by,
2 3 and 5.
3 and 5.
chalo, start doing it.
Sir, we have to not write statements.
Of course, you have to write the statements. You have to write the statements. Why not? So LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5, which is 120. So thus 120 is the number, which is 120 is the smallest number, which is divisible by whom? By whom, children?
8, 15, 20.
8, 15 and 20.
But the prime factors 2
2, 3, and 5.
and 5. Hence, 120 is not a square number.
So here we have to find multiple of 120, which is also square number.
Correct. So multiplying. So what?
Both sides by
Both
2,
sides by
3 and
2,
5.
3, and 5.
Correct. Multiplying both the sides of the equation by 2, 3, and 5. 120 into 2 into 3 into 5 is equal to 2
2 into 2 into 2.
into 2 into 3 and into 5. So all have become in pairs. Yes or no?
Yes.
3 2s are 6. Now 120 into 3, 360. 360 into 10, 3600.
1600.
3,600.
1600. Now two pairs of 2, one pair of 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And one pair of 5. So here all the pairs, no, all the primes are in pair. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Hence 3600 is the required square number. Yes or no, children?
Sir, is the smallest required square number, na?
Is the required, okay, smallest square number. And this square number is actually what? Actually, it's a multiple of 120.
120.
Because 120 was divisible by all, that is why its multiples will also be divisible by all. Hai ki nahi?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Which is divisible by whom, re? 8
8,
8,
15,
15,
20.
20.
and 20. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
By 8, 15 and 20. Correct? Is this point very, very clear to all of us?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Finished? Have you finished?
No, sir.
ठीक है चलो. Now question number 1. Now we'll start from our top order. Question number 1. Don't write the question. It is there in the textbook. I am just writing it. Don't write. Let them finish.
Sir, we have to write that question.
No, don't write. I'm just writing by the time they are finishing this. Then have you finished?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
Question
sir.
number 10 is over.
Yes, sir.
Question
Yes,
number
sir.
1. Question number 1. Now, what could be the possible ones digit in the square roots of the following? Okay. Now, always, children, pay attention here. Pay attention here. Everybody pay attention here. Now, always this question will come into the exams to confuse us. Okay. There's going to be a big confusion. Ones digit. And see. Now you tell me. What will be the ones digit in the square of 81?
1.
1.
1.
And ones digit in the square root of 81?
9.
9.
9.
Huh.
9.
So when they ask square root for a number ending with 1, see, 121 ka square root is 11. 81 ka square root is 9. If I have to write on the different screen, root of 121 is 11, but root of 81 is 9. Means square root of a number ending with 1 may end with 1 or 9. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Ha. Ha.
Yes, sir.
Square root of 144 is how much?
12.
And
12.
324 ka square root is what?
12.
18.
18.
18.
Means for a number ending with 4, the ones digit in the square root could be 2 or 8. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Ha.
sir.
Similarly, when I ask 131 ka square, what will be the ones digit?
1 or 9.
1. No,
One.
1. Arey 1
One.
beta. Square will be 1. And 139 का स्क्वायर will also be 1. बात समझ में आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
While squaring, you will get only one digit. But while finding square roots, there may be two digits. There may be. Okay. What is the square root of 25?
5.
5.
5.
5.
125,
5.
15.
10.
625, 25. Every
25.
time square root of a digit ending with 5 will be 5. बात समझ में आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
So 5 का
Yes,
square will also be 5. 5 का square root will also be 5. But 1 का square will definitely be 1. But 1 का square root can be 1 or 9.
1
Are
or
you
9.
understanding? This is very
Yes.
important
Yes,
to understand. Are you understanding? 2 square.
Yes, sir.
2 square will be 4. What will be the square root of a number ending with 2? Say 2422. What would be the answer?
Sir, it would not be a square
4.
number.
Exactly. This number ending with a 2 is not a square number. If it is not a square number, we can never find its square root. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 2 ka square will end with 4, but square root of a number ending with 2, you can't find out. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it's important. You have to think what is the question. Think very, very carefully. Okay. Now it is a straightforward question. Need not worry. Here directly we are going, right? So right on. The first number is 98. Just a minute. Right on. Right on. The first number they have given to us is 9801. Will it have a square root?
Yes.
And
Yes, sir.
what could be the ones digit?
1 or 9.
1 or
Correct.
1 or 9.
So the ones digit in the square root will be 1 or 9. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, next number 99856. Now you tell me. 99856. 4 or 6 better. 4 ka square is ending with 6 and 6 ka square ends with 6. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what it could be? 4 or 6. 4 or 6. Because 4 square also ends with the 6. 6 square also ends with a 6. So the square root of a number ending with 6 could be either 4 or 6. 998001.
1 or 9.
Again 1 or 9. Correct. Next number 657. 666025.
5.
5 only.
Because only 5 ends with the 5. Few examples, extra examples I'm giving. You tell me. 6400. Whose square ends with a 0?
0s.
9822.
The number is not square.
Correct. The number is not a square number. Hence, won't have any square root. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's all. We're going to stop over here. Time is up. Hence, won't have any square root. No question of ones digit. Square root ही नहीं है तो ones का digit कहाँ से आएगा? Yes or no?